Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform factory reset operation on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. First, we're gonna have to open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, open System menu on the sidebar and then navigate down to Recovery option. Then in Recovery, we're gonna have to select Reset PC next to Reset this PC option. Then select Remove Everything. You can also go with the Keep My Files option, but this is basically like apps and settings reset, so it will not actually perform the full reset. If you want to perform the full reset of your system, you're gonna have to go with the second option. Then you can select one of these two available options. So the cloud download will get you a fresh Windows copy. The local reinstall will get you the Windows copy from this device. So if your files are corrupted in some way, or if you want to get a fresh new Windows copy, then go with cloud download. If you just want to perform a factory reset operation and do it faster, go with your local system files by selecting local reinstall option. That's the main reason why I'm gonna go with it. But in most cases, I think cloud reinstall is better. Then select Change Settings, and in changing settings, we'll also be able to choose whether we just want to remove our files by switching the toggle to the left, or switch it to the right and clean the drive completely, which may take a lot more time, but it will make it harder to recover our files. So if you were preparing your device for sale, surely go with the yes option. Otherwise, and if you have some malware on your computer, then also go with yes option. Now, otherwise, just switch the toggle to the left and proceed. Now, this download Windows, you say switch between downloading Windows from this device or from the cloud download. So it's something. So it's something that we've chosen before. And then click Next. Click Next again. And at this point, make sure that your device is plugged into the charging cable. We don't want our device to suddenly discharge during this process, to suddenly turn off during this process, as it may affect, it may actually break your PC. So yeah, make sure that your device is connected to the power supply. Then once you're ready, click Reset, and then just wait for the factory reset process to be finished. Once it's prepared, your device will turn off and Windows reinstallation process will begin. And once you see the setup menu, so the language selection menu on your screen, that means that your setup is fully finished. So that's basically it for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.